Yeah. Came in 17. Damn.
Hi folks, Dutch here from Dutch Cooking. Today we're going to be making this Mexican chicken with rice, and we're going to be cooking in the wood-fired oven. So first of all, we've got our chicken. I'm just going to put it in a bowl. Three to begin with. And we've got our seasoning. This is my Mexican rub. I'll leave a card above. Splash of olive oil. And the juice from one lime. The rest of the chicken. Some more of our rub. And we'll let that sit for about 20 minutes. As always, we've got a good fire going in our oven. All we're going to do now is just push it back to one side. So for this cook, we've also got some new cast iron. This is from the Aldi range. This is what we're going to cook in our chicken and rice in. So the first thing to do is pop it in and get it warm. So the cast iron's had a bit of time to warm up now. All we're going to do now is add some olive oil, about a tablespoon and a half. Let that warm up, and then we'll start cooking. So our oil's now at temperature. The first thing we're going to do is brown our chicken off. Chicken's had about 2 to 3 minutes on one side. What we do is take it out. I'm just going to turn it over. We'll pop this back in for another 2 to 3 minutes. So after further 2 minutes, we're going to take this chicken out. And all we're going to do is we're going to transfer it to our bowl. To this, we're going to add 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves of finely chopped garlic. It's back in the heat. We'll take it out, give it a stir. Put it back in for a couple more minutes. So I'm just going to take this back out, give a final stir. The onions have just started to go translucent. So now we're going to add 1 chopped red pepper. Go back in for a couple of minutes. So our peppers have had a couple of minutes. Then we stir. And now it's time to add the rice. Just got 1 cup of long grain rice. Just going to stir it through, let the rice take up the oils and the flavour. That's what we're looking for. To that, we're going to add 1 cup of chicken stock. Three-quarters of a cup of tomato passata. One tin of black beans, three-quarters of a cup of sweet corn kernels, and all we're going to do now, we're going to add our chicken back on top of our mixture. Skin back on, back in the middle, and we're going to add these juices back in. It's now going back into our oven for about 35-40 minutes. There we have it, 35 minutes later. That's Mexican chicken with rice. So we're about to have a taste test. Moist, succulent chicken. Yeah, that's really nice. You really can taste that flavour, that Mexican rub coming through. The chilies have just put on the top, add a bit of heat, and the lime and the coriander just finish it off. Don't forget, if you like what we're doing here at Dutch Cooking, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell.